I really do not know. I do not pretend to be a prophet of doom, but 2016 really appears to be very dim to me. Let alone you take me outside of the loop about being president. Wala akong nakikita dyan sa horizon na in the likes of Gibo, yung mga bright na nandyan, wala eh. And the landscape political is almost barren. I hate to offend people, but that is really the truth. You have choices there na pure charlatans. Di na bali sana kung magbababae, kagaya sa akin, basta magtrabaho. So, hindi mga what? Tama na, mayor, ang allowances lang. Ano gawin na malalaki ang allowances? Mayor? Hindi ka na kailangan magnakaw. At the end of the year, kung wag ka lang maggastos, you have money.